I start every meeting off with a picture of my family because this is who I am. This is everything that I'm about. I come to work day in and day out for these people. You want to know why we're here talking about commitment to zero contacts? It's because of this picture right here. It's because of the picture that every one of you have that we could put on the board. That is what zero contacts is all about. It's not about changing your work procedures if they're good. It's not about making you be something that you're not. It's not about doing any of those. It's about making sure that this picture doesn't get interrupted because we came to work one day.
Commitment to zero to me is me and everybody working around me goes home every night. Because I worked in the contractor field for almost 20 years and nobody personally on my crew, but I've known quite a few guys that didn't go home at night, and I don't want to be in that position.
Commitment to Zero Contacts is an initiative that recognizes that serious injuries and fatalities, such as electrical contacts, we haven't made near as much progress as we have with our other part of our safety programs over the years. And so what it does is it gives cooperatives tools to make progress to prevent serious injuries and fatalities in the form of electrical contacts to their linemen.
I signed the commitment last year, relatively quickly when it came about, and I watched the video on cooperative.com about it. And as I went through, I was thinking, I think I'm in a pretty good place with the commitment to safety initiative. And as I reviewed the information, I saw this recommendation to do a safety steering committee. And I said, we aren't doing that here at our co-op. So I said, we need to do that. The initiative has taken us to the next level in making sure I, as a manager, was really keeping a good pulse on what was going on with our safety program. I felt we're in a pretty good place, but now I feel like I'm even more engaged.
What's been nice about Commitment to Zero Contacts is understanding not only the rules that the guys have to follow, but the culture that the crew leaders have to instill with their crews in order to bring everything that the company does to have a positive safety culture.
All right, as usual, close calls, near misses. Anybody got anything? Every week we have what we call a safety briefing. It's pretty much a closed door meeting where, the guys can speak freely. It's taken us a long time to get here, but it's also built a lot of trust between ourselves and the guys to have conversations over close calls, near misses, things that are going out in the field that we may not always get to see, but are perfect teaching moments for the rest of the line crew. We firmly believe that one person's mistake is everybody else's learning, and that's really what that meeting's all about.
We're going to de-energize the transformer and pull the meter.
One of the initiatives we've done through Commitment to Zero is we've adopted the SAFE app. So at each job that our guys go to, the crew leader or the lead lineman, he'll go out and he will document that SAFE app and all the hazards on it with each one of his crew.
One of the biggest things that we asked of our co-ops was to do after-hours crew observations. It's the one place that we saw that we weren't very good at. After-hours crew observations in the dark, that someone's going to show up and they know that someone's going to show up.
How we doing tonight?
Good.
What we got going on?
We had a blown arrestor.
Okay, all right, good. Anything else?
Everything else looked good.
Good deal.
The amount of accountability that brings at a critical time is just so important.
You gotta have the courage to step up and take it to the next level, especially when there's a program like this available and it's really on the shelf for you to get better.
I'm committed to zero contacts for all of the guys that are here because, again, we spend how much of our lives together. They're just like family. I don't want to ever see anything like that happen to anybody.